You know when you get that first cut, you got that buzz in your ear. B. 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 Everything you dreamed about, you deserve the world in a peaceful house. A couple dogs and some room to air the speakers out. It's like she sail the moon, and all I know is tunes. Spinning animation, all the cast and crew, used to cancellations. Every past I knew don't seem as close as you. B. Oh shucks, Mr. Big Luck is out of time. Who knew that Shakespeare would lose his mind? I guess it's poetry, the way it's supposed to be. I think I love you, Billy. I say it openly. B. B. Daniel son, always had a crane kick. I'm one of a kind, just how my brain is. Different words, but it's like we know the same fits. B. You're a star, but I promise I'm a playwright. Never seen me, but they know me through a stage life. I had a dream that we met and lived the same life. Two stars coincide on the page, right? Just as all the words running out the margin, let them spread like the flowers in the garden. B.